The iconic youth leader Bhagat Singh, who was executed by the British in 1931, was born on this day in 1907. In the short span of his life, he influenced generations to come with political parties and movements across lines claiming his legacy. We know the fiery young man for his struggle and relentless pursuit of freedom for India, but here are some little known facts about the revolutionary that give you an insight into his personality beyond the larger than life figure that he is. Professor Chaman Lal, who is one of the most authoritative scholars who have studied the life of Bhagat Singh, revealed some of the lesser known aspects of the man. The most fascinating aspect of Bhagat Singh's personality was his friendliness towards everyone, particularly towards his comrades, which made every one of them feel that Bhagat Singh was his close friend, the professor recalled in a media interview. His companions Azad, Sukhdev, B.K. Dutt, Bijoy Kumar Sinha, Jaydev or Jatin Das all felt close to him. In fact, Jatin Das died in Bhagat Singh's lap on 13 September 1929 after 63 days of being on hunger strike. Bhagat Singh was a cheerful young man, it is said full of passion for life. He took part in the drama society in his college. Sarojini Naidu even applauded his acting skills. Bhagat Singh also loved films. He saw the classic Uncle Tom's Cabin and Charlie Chaplin films. Bhagat Singh's comrades have preserved memories of him in their accounts. They say he would buy a whole bucket of milk and drink it up in minutes. Singh used to teach himself English by keeping a dictionary in his pocket. To test him one day, his friend Jatin Das said he can't go to the cinema because he had dyspepsia. He imagined Singh would be thrown off by this word, but Singh promptly checked his dictionary, found that dyspepsia only means minor indigestion, and then marched his friend off to watch the movie. Bhagat Singh and his friends loved playing pranks on each other too. He and Sukhdev would go to their friend Rajaram Shastri, who had only one cot in his room. The two would squeeze Shastri from both sides until he left the cot to sleep on the floor. And in this way, Bhagat Singh spent his life bonding with his friends, reading and pursuing socialist ideals until his life was brutally cut short.